today's video I will show you how to do the right slant decrease in brioche. So here I have a swatch with just the simple brioche rib, 2 colors, and I will start like if you have to knit and you are knitting a pattern, and then so we knit a few stitches until we have to do the right slant decrease. So in these 2 columns, like I say, usually these are brioche knit stitches, and in between we have a brioche purl stitch. So from these 3 stitches we will decrease and we'll have only 1 stitch in the end. So the right slant decrease is a bit more complicated than the left slant decrease, and I can show it to you in 6 steps. So step 1, slip knitwise the first brioche stitch, that means the stitch and the yarn over. After that, knit the next stitch, that's step number 2. 3, you pass over the slipped stitch. Number 4, you slip this new stitch to the left needle. Step number 5, pass over the next stitch and yarn over that you have on the left needle. And step number 6, just slip this stitch to the right needle, and here it is, the right slant decrease. After that you just knit according to the pattern again. We'll knit a few stitches also, and then you get again to the point where you have to do the right slant decrease. So it's usually, well, always this brioche knit stitch with the yarn over, and a brioche purl stitch and a brioche knit stitch with the yarn over. So again, those 6 steps that I showed you: slip knitwise the first brioche stitch and yarn over, knit the next stitch, pass over the slipped stitch, slip the stitch to the left needle, and pass over the next stitch that you have on the left needle. And the final step, just slip this stitch to the right needle. And then after that you just finish knitting the way you have to, according to the pattern. So here it is. As you can see, that left column of brioche knit stitches is over the other one and is leaning to the right. You will see it better after knitting a few more rows.